Call in the funny farm. There's jokers and fools, clowns all around. If you ain't gonna be a clown, how you gonna see something? You know what clowns do? I mean, this is what I think they do. They see a kid that's crying. They make him happy. They seem to do all the opposite. If you want him to be serious, he's not gonna be. So here is the equation. The equation is the year 2021, okay? Becomes 3 and 8, becomes 5 and 6, okay? Becomes 3 and 8, becomes 5 and 6. Becomes 24, becomes 6, and becomes 2. Becomes 56 and remains 56, becomes 3, and it becomes 2. This one will turn into 9 and 2. So we're going to continue on into this. So the beginning of this, okay, becomes 12 and 8, 20. Becomes 5 and 6, 11. The total is 31 and 37 again. We all remember what happens to 37, becomes 74, the gateway, and then becomes 37, becomes 74, then it reverses to 47, and then becomes 94, okay, which becomes 36, okay. 1 and 2 is 3, becomes 24 and 11, equaling to 35. 3 times 5, 3 plus 5 equals 15 and 8, so remember that that is the A and E creating the O ball and the 8 ball. 8 and O as an 80, that reverts to the 9 lives of the cat, and 86 communication, right? Maxwell Smart, but not good communication, right? You understand? Not good communication, Maxwell Smart. He used to bumble it all up. 99 was the communication. So if you got 86 to 99, you got a difference of 13, 12 in between, the bat mitzvah and the bar mitzvah. You know what I'm saying? I mean, men, the antenna just like goes up on thought. Like, it's the bad thoughts. It's raining outside. So we're going to take this corner over here, 124, because it's 2 corners, it's actually 31. It's half, because it's halved by this. So 39, okay, which is 3 times 13, 1 times 3, and 3 to the power of 2. 1 and 2 creates 39, the skies. 62 and 62, 124. And 9, 133, 143, 153, 163. Touchdown on this corner. Touchdown in Saturn. This one, it's 31 and 54, equaling 85. The spirit matrix. 85 will create 40 and 13. That 40 and 13, I have to remember where it is. It's right over here. 40. Oh. We're going to continue on into this video. So once we get in here, we end up with 1 and 6, 1 and 3. But then we end up with E6, E1. At the same time, when you move the 1, take out the 6, and you squeeze it over to the 3, you end up with B. Forget about the 6. I've seen this in The Price is Right. Over here, 62 and 62, 6 times 2, 6 plus 2, equals to 20. The 34 is a representation of, because there's 2 of them, 6 and 6 is 12, 1 and 2 is 3, 2 and 2 is 4, so 34 is on the outside for 68, 2 sides of time. 68, 2 sides of time. 72 is the time. 72 and 28, 72 and 38. The reason it's 38 is the separation of 10 goes from 28 to 38. Cycle of the moon, 28 to 38, living inside the house of the church. This side and that side. They're not counting in between 72 times 360, equaling to the Mayan count. 72 is 1/6 of the 72 parts of 360 degrees. 7 times 2 is 14, equaling to 86, 72, 86, which is, the 7 is an equivalent to 313 of the 2 sides of 8 and 6. Remember, trying to see how to make this design. I'm not really sure how to make this design, but this is all 8 involved in it, right? This is all 8 involved in it, okay? Now I need to connect this to this. I need to connect this to this. So I draw another star here, right? 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8. I connect this one over here. I connect this one over here. Okay, now we have that connect. Now what do I connect next? Do I take this and bring it all the way through here? Whoop. Go all the way around and go all the way through here. That's my open space in the 6 card. Here's my 8 card. So I encompass it this way. I go up and down, I grab it on each side and encompass it that way. That'll make a design, and I've done that design before. And now, if you're looking this way, you'll see 1 eye. If you're looking this way, you'll see 2 eyes. But if you look straight forward, you'll see the jack with 2 eyes. Now, where is this? Remember, top left, top right. 1, 3. In between is 5. when you do the duplicate roulette board, like one of the designs I just did, you'll see that the in-between is actually over here, between two sides. So we're going to go back to this equation over here. In the year 2021, just want to see if I have this right. Could be on the last page. Just hold on a second. Right, we did the baseball thing. Do you remember? The sun and the moon. 7th inning stretch. Right, 39 outs. The 7th inning stretch. Where is this piece I just did? Sorry, hang in with me. 5 and 3. Calling of the Wolf, WBC. Where is that 2021? Where is the 2021? Hold on.